Hey everyone, Darren here with American Pool and Spa, and I wanted to come and tell you about our Hot Spring event that's coming back again. Earlier this year, HotSprings did the financing event. Well, guess what? They're doing it again. November 2nd through the 12th for any High Life NXT, regular High Life, or Limelight collections in the Hot Spring models. You can get them either 0% for 36 months or 0% for 60. Also with that, you can get accessories like this one. It has the Bluetooth speakers, Bluetooth pop-up speakers, also the cover cradle. It also has the Everwood HD steps that match the spa wonderfully. This is the Vanguard NXT. Once again, they are having the finance event, which is 0% for 36 or 0% for 60. And with the winter months coming, what's better than jumping into a hot tub? You get the relaxation. Also, what does Hot Spring offer? They offer three things: better energy, better massage, better water. So why not enjoy it for the winter months? All right, so once again, don't miss out on this wonderful opportunity. It's 0% for 36 or 0% for 60. You can have payments as low as $235, or if you go to 60 months, it can be $135 a month. Want to bring you back here to the back bay. You can see these three spas. This is how they come to our warehouse, and this is how they'll come to your house, all wrapped up. We unwrap it like a Christmas present. You don't want to miss it. It's a big event. You don't want to miss out. It's perfect time, like we talked about. It's cold outside. What better than to be in a warm hot tub during that time? So come on. Once again, 0% for 36 or 60. This is all on all Limelight, High Life NXT models. Once again, American Pool and Spa. Leave it to us. Just swim and relax.